I am outside the former AOL CC6 building that I worked at 15 years ago to tell you a story about the internet. In 1969, the Department of Defense embarked on an ambitious project to connect the Advanced Research Projects Agency, ARPA, to universities funded by the Pentagon. This project, known as ARPANET, gave birth to the internet that you see today. The essence behind ARPANET was to create an interconnected packet-sharing network to communicate between the Pentagon-funded universities and the Department of Defense. The first node or connection point was actually built in 1969 at UCLA and then expanded to Stanford, the University of Utah, and MIT. The network built in 1969 relied on telephone lines. However, it wasn't until the early 1990s that ambitious telecom companies such as AOL, Sprint, and Verizon gave birth to the fiber optic cables and lines that you see all around Ashburn, Virginia. Because of these telecom companies and what they built in 1992, this area became known as the Metropolitan Ethernet Area East and now serves as the hub for 70% of the internet traffic, not only for the United States, but the entire world. And because of the copious underground fiber optic lines started by the Department of Defense and built out further by the telecom companies, this area now serves as a hub for data centers, trafficking 70% of the world's internet. Given that 70% of the world's internet travels through this hub on a daily basis, it's safe to say that the U.S. economy, if not the world's, depends on the reliability of this important site. So if it wasn't for tech companies like AOL, formerly headquartered here, this important infrastructure may have never been built.